Woo! So graphing in our MyMathLab can take a little bit of getting used to. So I'm going to run you guys through an example here from the 6.4 homework. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click to enlarge this graph. We've got y equals 4 sine of x plus 1. So I'm going to pick my sine graph, boom, which is this guy right here. Pew! Excellent. I selected the sine tool. All right. Now, if I click on that graph, it puts up my parent function for the sine function, right? Now my amplitude. Well, what's my amplitude in this one? Well, I have that 4 out in the out in front there, so that would be my amplitude. So I'm going to put 4 for my amplitude. Did my period change at all? No, it's still 2 pi, right? We haven't dealt with too many period changes yet, but if there was a number inside the sine function, then we have to deal with that. Do I have a vertical shift? Well, I have that plus 1 outside the function, so I'm going to have to do a vertical shift of 1. And then do I have a phase shift? Did I move left or right at all? I don't have anything inside the sine function once again, so there is no phase shift. Do I have a reflection about the x or the y axis? No, I don't see any negatives anywhere. So this looks like it's good to go. So I'm going to hit save. And there we go. There's my sine function. I'm going to check that answer. Well done. Look at that. It makes you feel good, right? It makes you feel good. Okay. Next question. It says, let's see here. Use the graph to determine the domain. Well, let's see here. Sorry to adjust my window a little bit because I could not see the little box due to my screen recording application. All right, so what's my domain of this one? Well, it just continues on forever and ever, right? It's a sinusoidal function. So it is going to be from negative infinity to infinity. So negative infinity, comma, infinity. Boom. That would be my domain, right? And I would be using parentheses there. I can't include infinity. So we're going to check my answer. Excellent. Positive reinforcement. Makes us feel good, once again. All right. Now, determine the range, right? So it's my up and down. Well, how high and how low does this one get? It goes as high as 5 and as low as -3, and it is including those points. So let's hope that this one, let's see here, I got my brackets, and then I've got -3, comma, 5. Hopefully MyMathLab accepts that and doesn't think that we want to use parentheses. Let's see here. Well done. All right, excellent. Wonderful, fantastic. Well, there you go. That's how we're going to graph it and do a couple of those follow-up questions for domain and range. Awesome. Enjoy. Have a wonderful day, guys. America, freedom, rock and roll, Costco.